Most people don't fail at selling digital products. They fail at picking the wrong idea. And the worst part, they spend weeks creating digital products that people won't eventually buy. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can come up with an idea to sell digital products. And the best part, for these 3 ideas to where you can find digital products to sell is that you can do this research in 10 minutes and you are going to come up with an idea that you can sell, an idea or product you can sell that people are already buying in the marketplace. So you have to waste efforts creating digital products and without validating it before you went ahead to go and create it. So without further ado, let's go into my PC and I'll show you 3 proven ways in order to create digital products. Before we get into my PC, my name is Wala Detono. In this channel, I talk about how you can run Facebook ads, how you can sell your products, digital products, and how you can put your business out there and make money on activities. So if you're first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So next time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So let's get into this video and I'll show you these 3 steps where you can get digital product idea, validate before you went ahead to create your products. So the first place is Meta Ad Library. So what you simply need to do is go to Google or your browser, just type Meta Ad Library. So then you click on this first one. It's going to bring you to this website. So what you simply need to do is, if you are from Nigeria, you leave it in Nigeria. If you are from other country, you check your country here by searching. Then make sure you select show all ad so you can see all ad that is running on Facebook. So what you need to do is simply input a search for an idea that you have. For example, now if you are trying to create an ebook, just type ebook here. You'll get ideas of ebook ads that people are running to sell that product. Okay, you can even put a problem that is there if it's not actual ebook that you're selling, if it's other thing, or if it's a maybe a product that solves medical health or something like that. Just input there. It's going to bring a list of ads that is currently running. And what I discovered latest is that you can input a URL. If you see a website that you like, you can input the URL in this site, but it's going to bring all ads that website is running if they are running ads. So these are ads they're actually running concerning ebook now. And if people are running ads for ebook, for an idea like this one, ebook reader, so it's just bringing ads containing pertaining to ebooks. This one is an e-commerce ad. So this person is trying to sell an ebook on ebook on this is I think this is a French words. So like this one now, this is an real estate ad. So this person tried to maybe a lead magnet to get people to sign up and collect their email address for this and upsell them when they subscribe. So there are a bunch of ideas. If you type ebook, let me search another thing. Let's say make money online. The beauty about this thing is that people are running hard. That means they are really making money with that keyword, with that product they are selling here. So these are ads that people are running on Facebook, on Meta cross-platform, maybe Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and other network that Meta has that's under Meta company. So these are ads that you can find product ideas from that you can start selling immediately. So just pick an idea. You can't copy. I mean, don't try to copy everything. Just model the idea that the person is selling. So like this one, Pure If, I think they are selling something pertaining to. So once if you click the call to action, you see what they are selling. Try to model them. So this is a very best place to come for to get an idea for a digital product. So that's number 1. And the second one is Reddit. Reddit is a very good place to find product idea. You know, people use Reddit to get idea for write before, like if you are into copywriting and if you want to write about something, you can go to Reddit to find what people are already talking in that niche that you want to write, and you do research. You see a bunch of responses that people are already saying on that topic. So just go to reddit.com. So this is reddit.com. What I simply do is that input what people are struggling with. If you want to write about someone and want to say to them, so you need to know what they are feeling. So you can input keyword like I struggle, I struggle with. So it's going to bring bunch of searches for you. I struggle with I struggle. If you click on this search and you go deeper into it, you see responses that people are giving to that particular topic, and you can come up with an idea of an ebook or product that you can create around that thing. Another search you can use is how can I. So you have to know keywords with a problem that people are willing to solve. So people love money, love speed. So people are willing to pay money for speed if you are able to provide a solution for them that won't require them to waste time and can solve the problem for them very fast. So this is what Reddit is all about. You see bunch of uh, question, bunch of like suffering and problem that people want to like solve for themselves. So that's what Reddit is all about. It's good for research. So the third one is Amazon bestseller. So this one you can just make research about Amazon bestseller. So when you input it, I just click the first one or this. I think this is a sponsored ad. So let's click this. So this is Amazon bestseller. These are products that are selling for the day. At current, people are buying now and in different category. So you just simply need to go to the category of product you need to create. If it's digital product, if it's physical product, you just go to the category you like. If I go to books now, let me go to books. So these are books selling currently that people are buying. And on this page, you cannot like write exactly what this person write. You can pick from the idea of that book. So and minimize it and solve it in a better way. But people are going to like read it. So you don't require them to like have full scope. So as this is a book now, you can uh, bring an idea. If they are talking about like four ideas in that book, you can bring it down to like one and expand the scope. So for an ebook that you can easily sell. So that's how you can get product idea on a. But there are very lot of business, sorry, lot of categories that you can choose for. Just find your uh category that is best for your niche that you are trying to like sell in that. So just so yeah, good to go with that. So these are three ways you can get product idea for digital products. So instead of debating what product to create, you can use any of these ideas to get digital product you can create. So you know that you are working with a proven product that is going to sell in the marketplace. And if you want, I can pick one from any of these ideas and create a step-by-step digital product around it and how you can launch it and sell it. And if you're a business owner that you want to turn an idea into a digital product that you can sell in the marketplace, that's what I do. You know what to do, just reach out to me on my social platform and I'll get back to you. Thank you.